What you're going to learn are 6 steps to being a successful real estate investor. How to make money with no credit, money, contractors. How to do as many of these deals per month as you want. How to make a minimum of $10,000 per deal. Now that $10,000, that could be anything. I mean, we've made as little as $1,000 on a deal. So it could be whatever you want it to be, but you should be able to make at least $10,000 per deal. Do you need a license to do this? Not if you do it our way. How to get the benefits of ownership without owning the property. You see, I tell everybody today that I really don't want to own any more property. However, I do want to control the world. How to put it all on cruise control. See, we've been dubbed the cruise control couple. Yeah, we do like to go on cruises an awful lot, but it's not because of that. It's because we put our businesses on cruise control so that we don't actually have to be there to have the businesses continue and be successful.